You clicked this video to find out how the YouTube algorithm works and get more views. Well, understanding how YouTube ranks videos is the key to maximizing your visibility. There are two main ranking factors to be aware of. First is CTR, which directly depends upon the title and thumbnail. A good CTR for YouTube videos is typically around 8% to 10%. Second is watch time, which directly depends upon the quality of the video. Remember, YouTube wants you to focus on your audience, not the algorithm. YouTube itself says that our algorithm doesn't focus on videos, it focuses on viewers. So instead of trying to make videos that satisfy the algorithm, focus on making videos that satisfy your audience's needs. And to do that, you have to create high-quality videos. But how can you know that your video is of high quality? Create your videos that you like to watch. That means creating your videos based on what you watch regularly. There may be someone that you like to watch or find unique. But remember not to copy exactly the same way as they do. Let your imagination do the rest. That's all for this video. Subscribe to this channel, or I will delete the YouTube app from your device.